Alrighty, so I'm currently going towards a biker tourist trap known as the old gas station, which is only about a 2-hour ride from my house. I mean, like, you don't normally see those in my videos. That's how far north I've gone, like northeast. So I'm about right here, give or take. Sorry to like go on towards the other lane for a second. 1 second. Okay, so I'm right about in the here-ish area, like literally right in the middle of Michigan, you know. You'd be amazed the amount of clubs you suddenly see once you get out this way, though. Like, they're fucking everywhere, y'all. Like, I've already seen one big group of like 5 or 6 roll by me. Saw a couple of individuals just at gas stations, and it's like, guys, what the fuck? This is literally nothing but like this. This is all this area is, literally. It's just open field. We are getting close though. I seen a GPS just told me to hang a right up here, so I recognize the name of the road as the road that we have to be on. That was a butterfly. I'm hoping that it's not crowded. I don't know how many people are going to be out here. It is, because it is a Sunday and it is like upper 70s, lower 80s. Oh, it's going to be a dirt road, isn't it? Ooh, it's not very good. Nothing against dirt roads. I just don't feel like going slow right this second. Sorry if I still sound nasally. I'm still getting over the cold that I had from the bike time video. I don't know when this is gonna release, so you might see pictures way before you ever see the video. I fucking go ham on this thing for like no reason. That's a dove in the road. Somebody say dove in the road. Hi, dove in the road. Hello again, dove from the road. So some children of the corn looking shit right here though. It's weird though seeing all these like farm fields and then you just get like a mansion, you know, with a pool outside. Like, where the fuck did they get the money to do that at? This is farm field. I know it's all government subsidized at some point, but like, enough to get a mansion? What the fuck? Mansion? What the fuck? Oh, better not be a wasp. Oh shit. I hope that wasn't a wasp. Oh god. It said I was 20 minutes out when I put you all on my head too, so hopefully it is only 20 minutes out. But I did charge my camera all the way up here, but nice old Hudson right there. So this is pretty much just farm country, like. I still have to fucking order the Viking bags. I'm tired of these ones coming open on me. I like the leather look, but those hard bags from Viking are just gonna hit different, you know? What do you talk about out here in this fucking flat open grasslands, you know? Like, it's all farm fields and then trees. There is nothing to look at. I mean, yeah, it's cool. No. Oh, I'm turning left up here. Nah, like, it is cool in the fall to see all of it, but guys, what the hell am I supposed to do in the meantime? Like, I like country riding, but that's more when I need to clear my head and just do my own thing. That's why I go to the city a lot to make videos, because there's always content. Like, no matter what, you see something interesting to talk about. I recognize this from Google Maps. Should be getting close, because I do the satellite view most of the time, but because out of my area and Wi-Fi is always iffy when you go on these long trips, I so totally have mine set down to the basic. Okay, so there's the river. Yeah, it's up here on the left somewhere. it's been a cool little ride though, for sure. I've seen a lot of new things. I bet you know where those guys are coming from. I bet you I know where they're coming from. I will see pictures of them on Facebook later, guarantee it. Don't expect a whole lot. It's just a gas station that's older than fucking dinosaurs that they used to pump through it, so. Ain't nothing overly exciting, it's just a destination, you know. It's kind of like going to the mini Mack, which is just a little version of the Mackinac Bridge in some guy's storage unit yard. That's also, like, for some reason a big biker destination. I don't get my other biker brothers. What the hell? What is all these like little areas that are they're cool? Don't get me wrong, but like I don't see anybody coming out of state just be like, "Ooh, that's a cool old gas station." Quarter mile on the left. I've been going slow for no goddamn reason. Ah, it was a fucking grasshopper. Oh yeah, look at that. It's busier than hell. I'll turn around. Yeah, I'll be back in a second. That's a lot of people. Holy shit, I told you it's a biker tourist destination for some goddamn reason. Ah, and then my fucking button comes undone again. Son of a bitch. Okay, there's a road. I'll just turn around at that road. Ooh, excuse me. I'm sorry. That was all vitamin water. I'm white, but I'm not white enough to actually drink that seriously. I only drink it when I'm in dire need of water. And I was in dire need of water earlier. 2 hours in the sun, because it's all fucking farm country. Wearing a hoodie and a black vest with a helmet. That's also black. I mean, it's got gold on it, but it's mainly black. But black gloves on. I was sweating to death. Whose car is sitting there? I'm just gonna go park and wait in line. I'll take pictures for them if they want me to. I don't care. I'll be a nice guy. I was gonna turn around there. It's a nice house, but shirtless dude watering and stuff. He looks buff. I don't want that problem. But I also have to explain why. Ooh, that was a fucking wind gust. Holy shit. My bike tuck a little bit. Yeah, the side wind caught that and fucking was like, whee! That could have been bad. Could have been very bad. I hate these cross breezes like this. They always like suck a donkey, you know. Oh my god. Whew, the old gas station. Watch me drop it. Ah. Jesus Christ. Fucking run it. Oh, man. Alright, so I'm back with these guys I just met. We're going to the mini Mackinac that I had mentioned earlier. It's a lot closer than I thought, and they invite me to tag along, so I'm tagging along. Much appreciated, gentlemen. don't know how much farther away it is, but camera's on right this second. Like I said, it's just like a back part of a storage unit area, so don't expect a whole lot. Nothing big and overly flashy, you know. Alright, we're here. That was a fun little ride. Ah, there she be. There she be. See, it's just a miniature version of the Mack Bridge. Like I said, us bikers are very easily amused. I swear, us bikers are so easily amused by the dumbest shit. Said, I swear that us like bikers are so easily amused by the dumbest shit.
No, I didn't think you meant the side street. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing?
That's why I was looking around.
Pulled
Like,
over or something?
Like this, a fucking abandoned gas station. Some goddamn tree with bras in it.
random tree with graffiti.
We drove hours.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool though. Yeah.